When we first moved into this house, we knew this was going to be our forever house. But soon after we moved in, we noticed there were a few things, like stylistically and practical aspects, that weren't quite fitting our family.
We knew that we had to do lots of work into it. One of them was the structure, especially to remove two existing walls to put the fireplace, for example. We got lots of help, and that's what we were looking for when we were first looking to get a contractor. We compare now the result with what was in the 3D renderings. It's exactly the same.
And it was totally competitive pricing again. They were always mindful of our concerns. Ren, by any changes, nothing is left to chance.
One of the key things was, which gave us a lot more space and utilized a lot of the, basically wasted space we had.
So we highly recommend Sosna. The whole team, just fantastic.